So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from a photo in Canva. Full disclaimer, you're going to need Canva Pro to use this feature, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. So let's start off by going into Canva and opening a new design. Then you want to drag the image you're going to use in here. And resize this. So we're going to move the black background from this guy here. And all you need to do is click the image and go to edit photo up here. Then they have this magic studio. And right here is the BG remover, the background remover. You're going to click that. And just like that, the background has been removed. Now if you want to brush it up even better, you can use the magic eraser and go around the corners like this. Yeah. But in my experience, it does the job pretty well. Now, as I said before, you need Canva Pro to use this feature. And if you don't have Canva Pro, you can watch this video that shows you how to get Canva Pro for free. With that being said, please leave a like and thanks for watching.